Hello friends, this is Virendra Singh Tekam. Again I do welcome from Abhyas Academy of Science. Okay, in last video almost we have done with the direct indirect speech. We have covered direct to indirect speech for assertive sentences, direct to indirect speech for interrogative sentences in both ways, in yes no type and WH type. Then we have seen direct to indirect speech for exclamatory sentences. Okay, and after that we have seen direct to indirect speech for imperative sentences. All the direct indirect speech, the varieties of a direct indirect speech definitely depends on the rules. We have seen everything, right? Almost like 40 or 45 different rules are there. So we have done with that successfully. Hope so that you have understood properly and you guys are doing practice also. Remember one thing, that you have to make the practice. Okay, you have to do regular practice so you can get the benefit in examination. All grammar sections what I have taught you, that is valid, and all grammar is going to come in the examination. Okay, so today we are going to talk about degrees. This is a new grammar section. Okay, degrees, my dear friends, degrees we do for the comparison. डिग्रीज हम लोग कंपैरिजन के लिए करते हैं. ओके, कंपैरिजन वी कंसिडर एज एन इन हिंदी तुलना जिसे बोलते हैं, एक पर्सन को दूसरे पर्सन के साथ कंपेयर किया जाता है. सो दैट थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन टुडेज सेशन. सो डिग्रीज वी सी फॉर कंपैरिजन. आई विल मेक इट. ओके, या instead of writing comparison, like we can make it like degrees for adjective. degrees जो होता है वो adjective के लिए होता है. Here we do the comparison. यहाँ पर तुलना की जाती है a person's capability, person की capability के साथ तुलना की जाती है. one person to another person. Okay, one gender to another gender, we do the comparison. Especially for adjective, we take the support of adjective and we do the comparison. Okay, so here we are going to deal with four ways, right? One is superlative to positive degree, one is there. Another superlative to comparative degree is there. Then superlative to positive degree, comparative to positive degree, then positive to comparative degree. In this way we'll deal with that. what will happen in superlative to positive degree? Superlative to positive degree में क्या होगा, that also we will see that. Superlative to comparative degree में क्या होगा, that also we will see that. What will happen in comparative to positive and positive to comparative, all these things we will see according to the rules. There are some rules specially. So first of all we will see superlative to positive degree. This is the rule specially for superlative to positive degree. Okay, rule number 1 says no other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree plus helping verb plus as adjective as plus subject. My dear friends, this is the identity of positive degree. positive degree की identity है as adjective as plus subject. Okay, and if we talk about like rule number 2, if one of the is given in the sentence, अगर sentence में one of the दिया रहता है, sentence means what, if we get one of the in superlative degree, superlative degree में अगर one of the दिया है, then we will use very few in place of no other. तो no other की जगह पे very few लगेगा. Okay, and once we have written very few, the things would be changed. very few लिखने के बाद definitely यहाँ पर कुछ चीज़ें बदल जाती हैं. कौन सी चीज़ें बदलती है, what things are going to change, and that would be the helping verb. If you get a singular helping verb, अगर आपको singular helping verb मिलता है, so that helping verb will change into plural. वो helping verb plural में change हो जाएगा. I have mentioned over here, if you get like am or is, then it will become are. If you get was, so it will become were. Okay, so these things would be changed, and one more thing would also change, that is the object of a सेंटेंस का जो ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा वो चेंज होगा. ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स वी कैन कंसिडर द नाउन. ओके, सो 3 थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू चेंज व्हेन if one of the is given in the superlative degree. अगर superlative degree में one of the है, so definitely यहाँ पर चीज़ें बदलेगी, बदलने वाली चीज़ें कौन सी हैं? वन मोर टाइम, राइट, वी विल सी दैट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब, one thing. Another is the noun form will change, it will go in a plural form. How the things would be happen, we will see when we will solve the examples practically. Here one more time you will concentrate the rules, the structure, the formula, what we have: no other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree plus helping verb plus as adjective as plus subject. Now this is the formula, this is the structure where we have to fit the sentence, जहाँ पर हमें sentence fit करना है. Okay, another formula says if one of the is given in the sentence, if you get one of the, then the things would be changed, then we will use very few in place of no other. Okay, and after that, like, the noun form will change, the helping verb will change. Okay, things would be changed like this. So this is the way how we deal with the degrees. Okay, hope so that you will understand. So let's check out through the examples के through हम लोग देखते हैं कि यहाँ पर क्या क्या हो सकता है. Okay, I'll rub this thing and I'll try to make you understand through the examples. Okay, first we will see superlative to positive degree according to the rule. Okay, I'll put the heading superlative to positive degree. Superlative to positive degree. Okay, if I write an example just like he is the cleverest man in his town. Full stop. He is the cleverest man in his town. One sentence I have written. Make sure that we have to identify that the sentence it is in superlative. हमारा जो sentence है वो superlative में होना चाहिए. Okay, so here I have written one sentence. He is the cleverest man in his town. So by looking this sentence, by looking this adjective, we can understand the sentence has gone into superlative. And suppose in bracket if you get like change into positive degree, then obviously we will apply rule number 1. What is that? No other. Why we are writing no other at very first? Because in this superlative degree we are not getting one of the. अगर हमें one of the मिलता तो definitely we will use very few. Okay, so here one of the is not given, that's why we will use no other. And the sentence is in simple format. Sentence जो है simple format में है, superlative degree में है, that's why we will use no other plus. Okay, so here no other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree. What our rule says? Rule क्या बोलता है? No other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree. Part of the sentence after superlative degree. What is our superlative degree? Cleverest. Cleverest के बाद का जितना sentence है that consider as a part. Okay, part of the superlative degree. Okay, so here no other plus part of the superlative degree after superlative degree, that is called no other man in his town. Now plus helping verb. Now what is helping verb here? Is. So this is will become as it is, because here the no other is there, that's why we won't change the helping verb. If we get very few, then only we will change, right? First we will see the simplest format, right? So he is cleverest man in his town, so we will change into positive degree. How? No other man in his town is as clever. Cleverest का positive clever, C-L-E-V-E-R. So is as clever as he. The subject will become as it is. So what we have done, no other man in his town is as clever as he. So this is the conversation what we have done from superlative to positive degree. Okay, one more we will see that और देखते हैं. So you will get better clarification. If I write like she was the most beautiful girl in her family. So one statement, one sentence of superlative degree we have written, she was the most beautiful girl in her family. Now this sentence we have to convert, we have to change into positive degree. Make sure that you will remember the rules, okay, you will remember the structure, then only the things would be happen correct. Okay, so she was the most beautiful girl in her family. How we will make it, how we will change into positive degree. Positive degree में से कैसे बदला जाएगा, let's check out. We have to write no other. Okay, we'll start from no other. Why we will start from no other? Because in this sentence one of the is not given. If one of the is given, then only the things would be happened. Okay, so no other girl in her family. What our rule says, no other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree. So what is our superlative degree over here? Most beautiful. Okay, so the comparison would be happen like this: beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, so here no other girl in her family, no other girl in her family. Now what is the helping verb over here? Was. So no other girl in her family was as, what is the positive degree of most beautiful? Beautiful. Okay, so no other girl in her family was as beautiful as she. Okay, so one more time we have done the changes from superlative to positive degree according to the rule number 1. What our rule number 1 says? One more time, no other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree plus helping verb plus as adjective as plus subject. Whatever part of the sentence as given in the superlative degree, that part of a sentence we have to mention over here. Here we have to be careful about the helping verb. Whenever we will start from no other, definitely our helping verb would be in a singular form. If we start with very few, then definitely we will write plural form of helping verb. Okay, so one more sentence we will see that और देखते हैं. By the example we find easy. Okay, if I write like Rahul is the tallest boy in his class. Okay, Rahul is the tallest boy in his class. One more sentence we have done. Okay, tallest is the superlative degree. It's the identity of a superlative. Superlative की identity यहाँ पर दो है. One is the, ये जो the article है. दूसरा adjective, that's considered as in tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay, so like this. So we'll try to change into positive degree. Positive degree में कैसा होगा देखते हैं. Obviously the sentence will start from no other boy, remaining part of the sentence, means part of the sentence after superlative degree. Superlative degree के बाद का जो sentence है पूरा, boy in his class, we will write no other boy in his class is as tall as Rahul. The name has given, so that's why we will write the name. Okay, if we get a main pronoun like he, she, it, Okay, so we will take it as it is. So here we have done the conversation for superlative to positive degree. We have done the translation, right? Hope so that you have understood well. We'll try to make it more. और देखते हैं. Okay. Guys, you have to do practice for that because this is valid grammar section and definitely it comes in the examination. ये एग्जाम में ज़रूर पूछा जाता है. Okay, today we will talk about only superlative to positive degree. Superlative to positive degree के बारे में बात करेंगे पहले. Okay, so here let's check out number 4, example number 4. Okay, Vishwanath was the richest. Vishwanath was the richest merchant. Vishwanath was the richest merchant in the whole market. A simple statement for superlative degree I have made, right? Vishwanath was the richest merchant in the whole market. Okay, and if you get in the bracket, right, change into positive degree. Change into positive degree. So how the things would be happen, we will see that. Already we have seen the rules. हमने पहले ही rules देख लिए हैं. Okay, everything depends on the rules. सब कुछ rules के ऊपर depend करता है. So what sentence I have written? Vishwanath was the richest merchant in the whole market. So I will do that. No other part of the sentence after superlative degree. तो superlative degree क्या है? Richest. Richest के बाद का जो part of the sentence है, that sentence we will write after no other. So no other merchant in the whole market. No other merchant in the whole market was as rich as Vishwanath. Okay, the name has given, so we will write the name only. So one more time, we have done the conversation, we have done the translation from superlative to positive degree. No other merchant in the whole market was as rich as Vishwanath. Okay, let's check out one more time. और दूसरा देखते हैं example I have. So I'll take it out for you. Okay, let's take it a negative. Okay, so we'll see that. Samir was not the most active. Samir was not the most active employee. Samir was not the most active employee in the whole department. The whole department. Okay, so this is the sentence what I have written. Samir was not the most active employee in the whole department. Okay, now this superlative degree. Now what is the superlative degree over here? Most active. So active, more active, most active. Okay, so here we have done Samir was not the most active employee in the whole department. Now this superlative degree we have to convert into positive. So how we do that, right? कैसे करते हैं देखते हैं. So no other, guys we have to follow the rules हमें follow करना है. No other employee in the whole department. No other employee in the whole department. No other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree plus helping verb. So what is the helping verb over here? Was not. Like the sentence is in negative form, so definitely we will make it negative. Okay, so no other employee in the whole department was not as active as Samir. Okay, so this is we have done, right? Superlative to positive degree. Okay, so hope so that you have understood. आपको समझ में आया होगा. Okay, let's check out the very few part, like if one of the is given in the sentence, then how the things would be happen. One of the दिया है तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा changes वो देखते हैं. So we have done with no other वाला हमने treatment देख लिया. Now we are going to see one of the. Okay, so I'll rub this thing. We'll take it the another example. दूसरे examples देखते हैं. Here also you have to do practice. यहाँ पर आपको practice की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. It's quite easy. बहुत आसान है. Okay, so let's check out. If I write Abdul was one of the. Okay, so I was talking about one of the, right? So I'll highlight this thing. Till now we have seen the example, we have studied the example without one of the. If we don't get one of the in the sentence, then we won't use very few. If we get one of the in the sentence, so in place of no other, we will use very few. Okay, the things would be changed. यहाँ पर कुछ बदलाव होगा. क्या होगा? We'll see that. First we will see the example. Abdul was one of the poorest. Abdul was one of the poorest farmer Abdul was one of the poorest farmer in the whole village. Okay, Abdul was one of the poorest farmer in the whole village. A statement I have written. Okay, this is in superlative degree. One of the is the identity of a superlative degree. Okay, poorest is the identity of a superlative degree, and the is also considered as an identity of superlative degree. Now this sentence we have to convert, we have to change into positive. So how we do that? Like what instruction we get in the examination में instruction हमें कैसे मिलते हैं? We'll see that. If we get like change into positive degree. If we get like this instruction, so definitely we have to follow the rules. What our rule says, if one of the is given in the sentence, then we will use very few in place of no other. Okay, and the helping verbs will change. Okay, but the rest of the formula would be as it is. Only in place of no other we are writing very few. So definitely we will start with very few. once we have written very few, एक बार very few लिख दिया, it means the noun form will be changed, the object will be changed. So what is our object over here? Farmer. So it will become farmers. Okay, so very few farmers, very few farmers in his, very few farmer in the whole village, very few farmers in the whole village. Now the things would be changed, the helping verb would be changed, the was is there, so we will write were. So these three things would be changed. One is like very few we will write, after immediately very few, so the noun form will change, means the object will change and the helping verb will change. So what we will do, very few farmers in the whole village were as poor as Abdul. Okay, so this is what we have done. ये हमने ट्रांसलेशन, ये हमने कन्वर्सेशन कर दिया सुपरलेटिव टू पॉजिटिव डिग्री. लेट्स चेक आउट वन मोर और देखते हैं. सो वी विल गेट अ बेटर टच, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. ओके, सो हियर सपोज आई राइट लाइक he is one of the strongest, he is one of the strongest man, he is one of the strongest man in his area. Okay, he is one of the strongest man in his area. Okay, the superlative sentence I have written. So how we will do that? Like we get one of the, so definitely we will start with very few. So obviously very few men in his area, we'll write like very few men, man ka plural form men. So how we do that? Very few men in, then we will change the helping verb. अब यहाँ पर helping verb change हो जाएगा because rules allow us, right? Rules वैसा है. So very few men in his area are as strong as he. It's quite easy to understand, especially degree. Okay, बहुत आसान है डिग्रीज को अंडरस्टैंड करना. Okay, especially if we follow the rules. अगर rules हमने follow किया तो two rules depends, especially for degrees, especially for superlative to positive degree. What rule number 1 says? No other plus part of the sentence after superlative degree plus helping verb plus as adjective as plus subject. What rule number 2 says? If one of the is given in the sentence, one of the is given in the superlative degree, then we will write very few in place of no other. No other की जगह पे हम very few लगाएंगे. कब लगाएंगे? अगर superlative degree के sentence में one of the आया तो. Okay, one of the आया, definitely the helping verbs will change. यहाँ पर helping verbs बदल जाएंगे, noun form बदल जाएगा. Okay, the man is there, so we'll make it men. So like this we will do the practice for specially superlative to positive degree. Okay, hope so that you have understood well. आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. You guys have to do lot of practice for this thing. आपको इसका practice करना पड़ेगा. Okay, you will understand properly if you go through the rules, right? So hope so that you have get better, you have understood, right? You got a better touch for that, right? And do regular practice in your grammar copies so you will understand properly, right? And you will prepare for the examination, right? Very soon I'm going to take test on that, right? One more thing, right? I want to say that whatever the paper you have done, whatever the paper you have solved, that you have to submit the copy in the office as soon as possible. I have mentioned in the instruction also, announcement, मैंने announcement में डाला भी है, तो आप जल्द से जल्द वो copy submit कर दे. Okay, so hope so this is well, this is quite enough for today. Okay, So be happy, be safe. Thank you so much.